What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I glue slash insert my extra long nail tips into my silicone hand. I got a few questions about this and it's pretty simple. My glue method is I do not glue my nail tips inside the nail, and I will show you why right here. Here is my $35 silicone hand, and here is my very expensive one from Red Iguana. I used to glue my nail tips in my hand, and it was just like a long process of soaking them off. The hand is very expensive, so I had to worry about tearing the silicone, which I did quite a few times. You can't see, or you may be able to. I had to repair it up in this area to the point where I had to sit the hand down and not use it for a week or so while I ordered the silicone repair glue. So to alleviate all of that, I feel like you do not have to glue your nails into your hand, because your silicone hand is an investment and you don't want to damage your investment. So what I do now is I feel like the extra long nail tips are the best because you can manipulate them any shape and size you want. I will show you here how I do that. These tips are from Amazon. I will link them down below. So here I just go in with whatever tip I see fit. I like to go in with a tip that appears a little bit larger, just so that while I'm working on the nail, it does not move. Here is a size 6 or 9. I believe that's a 6. Here's a size 6, and here's a size 8. So I would possibly go in with this 8 here because it's fitting sidewall to sidewall. It's in the pocket. I don't have to worry about it moving. And then I'll put the 9 here. It fits sidewall to sidewall. And here I'm going to go in with the number 11. Fits perfect sidewall to sidewall. And just play around with the rest to see what fits in the pocket. And perfect. This is a number 6 as well, and it fits sidewall to sidewall. So this would be a perfect set of nails for me to start working on, and I would have no issues when it's time for me to go in and separate the other fingers. I don't have a stand for this hand. I do have one for my Red Iguana hand, but it doesn't latch onto my nail desk properly, so I need to get a different kind. But like this, I would be able to just go in and work on this nail and not worry about product falling on my silicone hand and not worrying about the finger nail coming out. So it's pretty simple. And as far as these tips, like I said, they are very good for the silicone hand because you can cut these down to whatever shape you want and file. And if you need to take the nail out when it comes time to fix the nail up, you can, and put it back in, no problems. I do not suggest gluing nails to your silicone hand. So if you're doing that, please stop, because you are damaging your silicone hand and you're going to need to repair it and or replace it. So that is my little trick on the silicone hand. Let me know down below if you have a better method. I'm always open to learning from other people, but trial and error. Like I said, I messed this hand up when I first got it. No, not that finger right here that I'm telling you guys came broke. But as far as gluing it, and you just don't want to risk doing all that. And if you're a beginner nail tech, you know, we get so excited about our nails that we constantly want to do nails back to back. You don't want to do nails on your silicone hand and have to cut the nails, soak them off, wait until you get done. You just want to pop them out and start practicing on your next set. So there's my little bit on how to glue the nails onto the silicone hand. Let me know if this helped you out at all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you are notified when I upload, and I will check you beautiful people out in my next video. Bye.